Alright guys, I'm gonna try and post this video. Sorry it's at night, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the car, rev it a couple times in park, open up the hood, rev it from the hood. Like I said before, when I did this I didn't hear the rattling noise. The only time I hear it is when I'm driving and when I push the gas pedal down about halfway to give it a decent amount of acceleration. So give me a second, I'm gonna start the car. Okay, as you can see, the check engine light is on. No rattling, smooth acceleration, or revving or whatever. Go ahead and get outside. Ordinary here. When I do hear the rattling when I'm driving, it seems like it's down where the cold air intake filter is, so I don't know if it's something to do with that, but we'll go ahead and rev it from the throttle body. No rattling at all. Now let's go for a drive. I'll try and drive with the windows up and down so you can hear the difference from inside the cabin. I don't know if it's going to turn out on video, but I can definitely hear it. So I'm in drive. I'm going to have to get out of my apartment complex real quick. I apologize if this video is boring. And that sucking noise that you might hear from the car is just my intake because of the stage 4 intake manifold. It's basically trying to suck an infant through the intake. Nothing out of the ordinary. Was the rattling noise. Let's see. Okay. Slow acceleration, I don't hear it. If I drive slow and careful, again, I don't hear it. It's only when the gas pedal is pressed down about halfway, so I have no idea if it's something to do with the throttle body or what. But let's try this again. Right there, the rattling is going. I'm pushing the gas pedal down and releasing it just a little bit, kind of giving it, you know, a little adjustment in the gas, and I can make the rattling noise appear and disappear by doing that whenever I want. There, the rattling noise is pretty bad. As soon as I accelerate or push the gas pedal down a certain point, like past the rattling noise part, it doesn't do it anymore. It doesn't do it when I push the pedal to the ground, just at this one particular point. There's the rattling again. Now let me try and do it with the windows up. Right there. I don't know if you guys can hear this or not, but this is the best video I can do. I don't have a camcorder. This is my digital camera, and I mean, it's a pretty good digital camera. It's a Sony. Let's see. Again, it sounds like it's coming from the front left, somewhere in the front left. And if you guys didn't read the description before, I got my check engine light code came as a bank 1 2 lean. So I don't know, promo suggested that one of my oxygen sensors was bad, or possibly loose, and that was what was rattling and throwing the code. I don't know if bank 1 is towards the front left of the engine, But my suspicion is that it's something to do with the cold air intake and the filter, because it sounds like it's somewhere down there, and I can feel the rattling in the pedal. I don't think it's the vibration from the engine or the exhaust, but I can feel it in the pedal. I feel just a little bit. There, it's pretty bad. See, I don't hear it now. It's only when I mean, I can actually, it kind of seems like when I'm at higher speeds, I hear it too. Like a little worse than what I do at lower speeds. But again, that's when when I'm at higher speeds, you got to press the pedal down a little more to go faster. So that's probably why. Let's try the left window down. No, I didn't do it there. Construction zone. You can barely hear it, probably with the wind. And I checked inside the cabin for anything loose that might be rattling because of the vibration from the engine at a certain frequency. Nothing new that should be loose, nothing else is loose. I have no idea what this could be. And I mean, the car drives perfectly fine. I don't notice any hesitation, anything out of the ordinary. I just got my oil changed 2 days ago. I do have a oil burning problem at higher RPMs because probably a bad piston ring. That's, I mean, normal because my car has too much miles and I would give anything to get a new engine. I'm going to try and go downtown and maybe drive by some of the buildings because you can definitely hear it echo off the buildings. Just give me a minute, bear with me. There it is again. I've never noticed this before, so this is something new. I don't really normally shoot videos with camera, so it's kind of awkward for me. There it is again. And again, I don't know if you guys can hear this or not over my engine drone or the exhaust, because I don't know how bad the cabin drone is on videotape. But like I said many times before, I can definitely hear it. Oh yeah, by the way, welcome to Grove City, Ohio. I've checked my air-fuel ratio gauge, and it's reading perfectly fine, nothing different. My vacuum gauge reads fine. I mean, I don't know what the hell this is. Okay, going ahead and turning into where some of the shops are. There it is again. Okay, we'll go by something like Best Buy, Home Depot, and all that shit. Maybe you guys can hear it a little better, and I'll be driving a little slower so the cabin drone won't be as loud. Window is down. Let's see. There it is. There it is, really bad. Make sure no one's crossing. And stores are still open, so there's kind of a few people out. Turn around. And promo said to rev it while the engine is moving. Here's neutral. And I don't hear the rattling. Back in drive. Let's see if I can pop the throttle a little bit to make you hear the noise. Every time I let off the throttle, basically I hear the noise, and I'm trying to replicate it again and again so you guys can hear it. Oh, shit. Make sure no one's coming. Windows up. Bad. Okay, and I'm gonna head home and upload this. So hopefully you guys can hear it on the video, because I definitely can. So thank you for your time. See ya.